Hello my Cakesters, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment. Follow me on all socials at _Kimberly.o_. Let's get straight into this video. In today's video, I'll be taking you from the parish of St. Catherine to Kingston to see what you can get for grand. 1,000 Jamaican dollars is equated to 6 USD, so let's go ahead and see what we can get. I'm now in the car. If you don't know, we are going to Trenchtown, and the history behind Trenchtown is just a video for itself. I'll go ahead and leave a few videos down below so you can get some history on Trenchtown. You know already, because we got Trenchtown, the karaoke session is going to be some bob, some reggae. Yeah, so we're still going to do, we are going to play. I'm going to remember that one, yeah. Shining on, flames are catching a fire. Get all that money on your watch. Sympathies and your blessings, your blessings.
Call because them ignorant and I. One alone I get and I go live another life.
This right here, my jam.
My heart beats for you only.
My love grows stronger each day. Yeah. No, I'll forgive. Let's journey from the beautiful parish of St. Catherine with a sun so bright and the ocean so blue, and of course we're passing the fishermen, and with the fishermen you're able to enjoy seafood on this stretch. There are lots of restaurants for you to enjoy, and of course some personal pleasures. If you know, you know this is the beautiful back road. So I'll be taking this road to exit Portmore so I can go to Trenchtown. I will be taking the toll. The toll is only $360 because I have a smaller vehicle. So any vehicle that is bigger than mine would of course accumulate a larger fee. With the toll, it's only roughly 20 minutes to reach inside of Kingston, because you take the toll and then you head on Marcus Garvey and you're there at Trenchtown. So the toll road is very smooth and it's in the middle of the ocean and it connects you to Kingston. So that is me paying right there, and it's time for us to go ahead and enjoy the beautiful rich history down at Trenchtown. We're in a Trenchtown. I asked the brother you should buy a cook shop there. Afternoon, which part of the cook shop there?
4th Street.
I don't know, I say Christmas, watch out something come up there.
I'm on 4th Street.
Which part of that there?
Alright, this is a 1st Street, so you just check for another one there.
Oh, okay.
Right in the corner.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah,
Thank
right,
you.
yeah.
Hey, the umbrellas assist me quick and fast. Oh my god, look at these paintings. Look there. These are so cute. They shoot Bob Marley movie here, form of reggae. So that's our 1st Street to him say. And we are continue drive all the way down to 4th Street. Alright. See the house them here over this side. 1 Trenchtown, never 2. So we just pass 2nd Street. So this will be 3rd Street. And him say 4th Street it depend. The road bad still, man. I don't talk. The road was fix. Quite beast of here taking time going here all. I wonder if I this a 4th Street now because I see crowd. You know, so anyway, I see crowd, food daddy. It all look like a over here. Yeah. Yeah, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Whenever I have to worry, yeah, I park on the side of the road. I want to set a little better, you know. But we reach a Trenchtown and you can see the Jamaican history of Trenchtown. Listen, I'm going to tell you about Bob, reggae, culture, Trenchtown. So I'm a girl and record. I hope nobody doesn't look at me weird, but at the end of the day, I'm still going to record. Whoa, there's this thing that I want to do before I start doing content. I want to pray. So we're going to pray. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for bringing us this far. Dear Heavenly Father, let the content goes as planned. Let there be no disruption. Let there be peace. Let there be a beautiful video, Lord. In your sweet and precious name I pray. Amen. So we're going to go out the road. Go out. I want to me. I love the ghetto. Ghetto and me go real bad. Locked in. Authentic Jamaican cook shop. You know the pot there and everything. My show no one I have available. I'm gonna order.
Cold foot and broad bean and...
Cold foot and broad bean that?
Yeah. So the rice pot had 60 pounds of rice tonight.
Back food 60?
Yeah, 60 pounds. Alright, it's a curry back there, so...
Curry back?
Yeah, and the curry goat, yes, so finish.
Jesus, and that me come for curry goat. I bread that man.
A fried chicken over here, so.
They may look good, man.
I'll cut up some more vegetables.
Alright,
Vegetable finish.
Cook
Some more rice again.
So what time you like?
Nah, special time still now.
When the food done, it done.
Alright, that's some chicken right fry. Let's put some food in it, so.
Then I use my gas so you know say a good food I cook. Pay for my food because the food not quite ready as yet. So we sit down and wait a little bit. My food enough. Hey, don't feel afraid for come to Trench Town. Do not feel afraid for come to Trench Town. The man them deal with me like me a princess. When you know already, we're gonna need a Pepsi. I'm gonna tell you, say the man never a Pepsi in one shop and my brother take money from me and want to go to a next shop and go buy Pepsi for me and he not ask me for no money but me still give him. Now to the main event, or Girl Lala. This food was $600. I'ma get breast. Only can go and get breast for $6. Hello, me wait. I get a scandal bag, a napkin, and a fork. This is how she's looking. Isn't she lovely? When I don't talk, she actually look like, you know, she fabulous. Like, she look fabulous. Yeah. Now it's time to taste it. When I come vegetable done and him tell me, say, am I gonna make some vegetable? First vegetable is. And you know already when box full, you have to take out your meat and put your meat over here, so that is why it have the cover for that. If you don't know, I love breast, but not everybody know for cook breast. We're gonna find out if them know for cook breast today. But me get a piece of curry back. The curry tastes really good. I think I want to go competition with Pete's. And if you know Pete's, you know some Pete's curry goat is tea. So just gravy and rice. Him know for do a curry. I have to give him that. Him know for do a curry. Like we see how the fried chicken taste. I get like out the full. Whenever me come to my deliver them and I can so I have to stop and buy one food. This worth it. Me no know. I can't focus. I want to talk to him about the food tastes too good. This is a hit. I love this bad. This never have to taste so good. Pepper! Boxing! Last time I saw this, I watch me a choke. Pepper kill me. That is where the Pepsi comes in. I say no to the food slap. So when the food and the Pepsi meet together, they must have them can just flat. It have can't flat. I really like that fine here. When I add and talk, and they're so open to creating content. Like the guy who understand me say I have a YouTube channel and I can have video. And him say, yeah, and him just go around and fix up around at the back. And when I go me and him show me say, this me di have a that, me di have a cold stove, we have a cook pan and this and that. Listen, I want everybody who watch a video here, we're able to go to Trench Town, go up 4th Street and go get a box food, yeah. I deserve it. Food tastes good, customer service good, you know say. Jamaicans are not the best with customer service, and the customer service is top tier. Like him call me and say food time, this, that, they go make Listen. I fried chicken really love them. My God, I never eat a breakfast. I'm glad that this my weight pan. Cause I don't want it waste. You know, normally when you eat a piece of chicken breast, I want cook sharp, you chew, swallow, cut, swallow. Beer cut and swallow, me I do beer cut and swallow. My boss, and look, them have all that chicken left. Jesus! I'm letting it get no better than this. If me did live down here, so, this is my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. When you look pa my chicken. Look pa my chicken. And a KFC, but it's finger licking good. Me eat piece of ginger. Jesus, the ginger is a weapon form against me. Me piece of ginger while I'm gonna just hear the crunch. I'm gonna save this for later. Cause can't make good food go to waste. I say the Pepsi make me a burp every minute. See what next one there? Let me give you guys a little breakdown of the cost of everything. The box food, $650. Yeah, $650. Man, I think you get them better than this. I get one big piece of chicken breast. Not even one, two. Raw veg. Shelly, rice and peas. Yeah, I feel like this is gonna be my little spot. I'm not head and talk. I'm a little spot right now. I kind of vex. So me I put in the hand to my spot. But I'm not gonna enjoy it, so I'm not gonna feel no way about it. The Pepsi was $150. That's the lowest I've ever paid for Pepsi actually. Pepsi all I got up to $200, so that's definitely a steal as well. Bringing us to the grand total of $900. So we have $100 left back. What do you think of you, is it? I don't think so. If you're going to save it for the next grand eat, so I think the secret emoji for this video is going to be peas, because the rice and peas, the Shelly. Where's a cold stove it upon? Yeah, I forgot to be the signature emoji for that video here. Let me know down in the comment section where else should I try, and if you enjoyed that video here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!